Why are Mark Twain's novels considered masterpieces of American literature? In this video, you will learn the key characteristics that made Twain one of the world's most celebrated novelists. Realism is one of the main characteristics of Mark Twain's novels. Mark Twain portrayed everyday life realistically. He described ordinary people, their speech, and social conditions accurately. Humor and satire also form important characteristics of Twain's novels. His novels are filled with wit, irony, and comedy. He used satire to criticize social evils, hypocrisy, and human foolishness. Then there is the use of local color in Mark Twain's novels. Mark Twain vividly depicted the customs, dialects, landscapes, and lifestyles of specific regions, especially the Mississippi River Valley. Then colloquial language and dialects also form important characteristics of Twain's novels. He employed regional speech and vernacular language to make his characters authentic and lifelike. Another important characteristic of Mark Twain's novels is adventure and freedom. Many of Mark Twain's novels center on adventurous journeys and the desire for personal freedom. Young protagonists often seek independence from social restrictions. Social criticism is also another important feature of Mark Twain's novels. Twain exposed problems such as racism, slavery, greed, and social inequality. His criticism is often presented through humor and irony. Mark Twain's novels have strong child protagonists. Characters like Tom Sawyer and Huckleberry Finn are intelligent, curious, and rebellious. Their perspectives help reveal flaws in society. Moral and ethical themes form an important part of Mark Twain's novels. Mark Twain's themes explore conscience, friendship, justice, and the conflict between individual morality and social conventions. Twain's novels have a regional setting. The Mississippi River frequently serves as an important setting and symbol of freedom and change. Mark Twain's novels are simple, yet they have a powerful style. Twain's writing is clear, direct, and accessible, making serious themes understandable to a wide audience. In short, Mark Twain's novels are characterized by realism, humor, satire, local color, regional dialects, adventure, social criticism, and memorable characters. Some important novels written by Mark Twain are The Adventures of Tom Sawyer, Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, The Prince and the Pauper, The Connecticut Yankee in King Arthur's Court, Life on the Mississippi. Main characteristics of Mark Twain's novels with examples. We have realism, humor and satire, local color, use of dialect, and strong young protagonists. Some of the examples are Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. This novel realistically portrays life along the Mississippi River and the social conditions of the American South. The Adventures of Tom Sawyer humorously depicts Tom's tricks and adventures while satirizing small-town society. Mark Twain vividly describes the customs, dialects, and scenery of the Mississippi Valley in Life on the Mississippi. In Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, different characters speak in distinct regional dialects, making them authentic and lifelike. Tom Sawyer and Huckleberry Finn are independent, imaginative, and rebellious boys. With these, I come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for being here. Bye.